Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. We're good, right? Hey, yo! Blast off in his face! Ladies and gentlemen, today is the last day that I get to ride a rock and roller coaster. It's been amazing. It's not going away, it's just being rethemed. But Aerosmith, thank you for a wonderful 15 years of my life riding this roller coaster. Let's say goodbye to this Kang. Alrighty, and now we do the final walk of shame to the rock and roller coaster featuring Aerosmith. Now remember, this isn't goodbye. This is goodbye for now and a makeover. Well, since nobody wants to wait in the line for a rock and roller coaster, the standby line for the Hollywood Tower of Terror is 120 minutes. Yikes. 120 minutes for that beaut. Would you wait that long? Like moths to one final flame. This is the last time we'll see Aerosmith.
You two are going to go to Villains. Yeah.
It is too early for this.
So we get to do you need the backpack? I might need it.
Last day road drop is insane. I had to run with the people. I couldn't even make my intro video, and now I'm in the line. But, you know, let's ride this bad boy one last time. Put it in history, just like Dinosaur. The line is getting more and more wicked the later it gets in the day. We're now backed up to almost the entrance of Rock and Roller Coaster. Welcome to the last day, y'all. Say goodbye to the marble wall. And the studio room.
All the way in, my friends, all the way in, please.
The pre-show was already gone, so you go straight to the alley. The show is officially gone. Shame. But you do go straight into the alley. Off they go. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. We're good, right? Hey, yo! Blast off in his face! Okay. We good. No! No, we get it. Oh! Was that a barrel roll? Hollywood! Woo, smell like catfish over here. Oh, I love this song, Sweet Emotion. Ooh, the Civic Center. We're gonna play some croquet? No, we're gonna play down the hill. Beverly Hills, I love Beverly Hills. Not a corkscrew. Oh, that was a corkscrew. That's so beat. Okay. Oh, okay, we chill. Slow down the merge, avoiding traffic. Oh! But like I'm posing, spin back squeeze. Okay. And VIP. That was rough. Good riddance, everyone. Good riddance. say goodbye to the VIP.
Go for Tower of Terror and then after Tower of Terror.
And we walk off this roller coaster for the very last time. The next time you see me here, it's going to be rethemed to the Muppets. What a perfect song to walk off to the ride to. Not Aerosmith, but you know, Queen. One last look at the Kings. Thank you for all the entertainment and all the fun. Muppets, see you soon. Till next time.